Ladies and gents, Supercar Pizza Delivery, episode 18. It's a thing. Chi Champer here at the Sharnbrook Hotel. We've got the pizzas. We've got Bentley Cambridge's awesome Bentley Continental GT. Plenty of space up in the boot for these pizzas, hot, fresh churro specials, and Limelight's gear. Keep the pizzas straight. It's time to get those hot pizzas to Bentley Cambridge in W12 6.0. We have got this absolutely stunning brand new Bentley GT Continental, courtesy of Bentley Cambridge, our friends. The last time we saw this car was in Geneva and I got to fluff it. Now I get to drive it out on the open roads and it's an absolute dream. The numbers are truly stacking up on this car. W12 6 litre, 0 to 60, 3.7 seconds, 626 brake horsepower. The inimitable triangular revolutionary system. This is the third instalment of the GT Continental and it is absolutely stonking. We're now on our way to Bentley Cambridge to drop back this fantastic car that we've had for a few days while filming with Limelight TV for the next episode of Supercar Pizza Delivery. We're loaded up with pizzas in the back. Supercar Pizza Delivery on another level. How are you doing, mate? All right? Excellent.